Long before the world taught people to rush, long before success became loud, there was a small village hidden between hills and sky. A village where mornings arrived softly, where time moved slowly, and where faith was not spoken, it was lived. In this village lived a boy named Raghav. He was not born into wealth. He was born into soil. His father was a gardener. His hands were rough. His clothes were simple. But his heart was rich with patience. Every day before the sun fully woke, Raghav followed his father into the garden. Not a grand garden, not a royal one, just rows of earth, seeds, and hope. His father taught him quietly. Some seeds grow fast, he said, others grow deep. Raghav did not fully understand, but he remembered. Years passed, Raghav grew into a young man, strong in body, gentle in spirit, and like all young hearts, he carried dreams larger than the village. He dreamed of building something meaningful, a life that would lift his family, a future that would honor his father's sacrifices. He worked harder than anyone, trusted God more than himself, and slowly life began to bloom. The crops grew better, the garden expanded, people respected him. Then came her. She arrived like spring, quiet, unexpected, life-changing. She saw his humility, he saw her faith. They dreamed together, a home, a future, a life rooted in purpose. But destiny is not always gentle. Sometimes God rearranges life without asking permission. One season the rain stopped coming, the soil cracked, the crops failed. Then illness came, silent, unfair. Raghav watched his father grow weaker. Day by day, breath by breath, he prayed, he begged. He promised everything, but faith was being tested, not rewarded. One quiet night, his father held his hand and whispered, "Do not curse the soil, just because it breaks you." By morning, his father was gone. Raghav buried him in the same earth they had worked together. The garden felt empty. The world felt cruel. God felt silent. Then the second loss came. The woman he loved, pressured by fear and uncertainty, walked away. She said, "I cannot build a future on broken ground." In one season, Raghav lost his father, his love, and his certainty. The village whispered, "Unlucky, cursed, forgotten by God." Raghav believed them. He left the village, not to chase dreams, but to escape pain. Years passed, cities swallowed him, work exhausted him, loneliness shaped him. But something strange happened. Every failure taught him patience. Every betrayal taught him strength. Every delay taught him faith. He remembered the seeds. Some grow fast, others grow deep. One day, tired and broken, Raghav returned to the village. The garden was gone, but the soil remained. He planted again, not with ambition, not with desperation, with trust. Years later, the garden fed the village. People sought his wisdom. Children listened to his stories. And one evening, as the sun dipped low, Raghav smiled, because he finally understood. God did not take everything from him. God cleared the ground so something stronger could grow. Sometimes God removes what you love to protect what you are becoming.